Introducing the new handheld vacuum cleaner from Pifco. Tackle dust, dirt and stubborn pet hair on your carpets and hardwood floors. With a 6-meter power cord, it's ideal to ensure a deep and powerful clean with every use, allowing you to tackle those hard-to-reach spots. Its floor and carpet brush lifts dust, dirt and pet hair, whilst its built-in lightweight aluminium extender attachment and included crevice tool allows you unlimited cleaning freedom. With a 3-year guarantee giving you complete peace of mind, rely on your Pifco handheld vacuum cleaner for years of hassle-free cleaning all around the home. Pifco, it's a way of life.